What up, guys? Live Eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. Today we're going to give you a very simple, easy money management system you can follow at home, guys. I know there's a lot of questions out there. There's various methods out there. The 50-30-20, 50-20-30, and a whole host of other budgets you guys can be trying. But this one is as simple as it can be. We can't make it no more simple than what it's going to be. So the first thing you're going to do is going to take your monthly budget, your monthly income, pardon me, and cut it in half. Just cut it in half. You're gonna put 50% over here, 50% over there, all right? Now the next thing you're gonna do, make sure you got your pen and paper out. You're gonna make a note of your living expenses. Now your living expenses, we're gonna jump that up into, that's your car, your monthly bills, your rent, mortgage, whatever you may have. You're gonna just put that into one category. Then you're gonna have your debt. You're gonna make a note of all your debt, your credit card bills, student loans, what have you. Then you're gonna put in another category, saving/investing. That's gonna include you investing in yourself. That's gonna include your 401k. That's gonna include even your emergency fund, right? We're simplifying this thing, guys. You can't make it more simple than what it is. It's gonna be a very short video, but we're gonna get straight to the point. Then you're gonna have another category, your fun, right? We talked about this. This is your eating out, travel, leisure activities, events, things of that nature, right? So now that you got your four categories, right? You coming down the middle, making the box, you got your living, you got your credit card bills, you got your investing/savings, and you got your fun, right?
All right, guys, let's break this down. Let's give you some values that make sense so you can apply this to your life. So say that you make $5,000 after taxes. You are going to dedicate a fourth of that, or 25%, towards your living car expenses, your monthly bills, those utilities that are needs, those are necessities, the roof over your head, right? You're gonna dedicate 25% to that, which is going to be $1,250 a month. Now say that you are making around $10,000 monthly. If you're gonna take a fourth of that, that's gonna be $2,500 dedicated to your living car monthly bill expense. And you're just gonna go right down the list what the sheet just said. Debt, 25%. You're going to put that towards your credit card bills, your loans. You're going to utilize that snowball method, the avalanche method. And then you're gonna go to savings, investings. You're gonna put forward into the market, into your portfolio, 25%. You're gonna even dedicate a portion of that 25% to your emergency fund. And then lastly, guys, we all love our fun. This is not the most important thing on the list, but we all deserve to live our lives and enjoy our lives. And this is gonna go towards eating out, guys. 25% goes to your travel, the clothes, spa treatments and things like that. Don't get overzealous. You can always save more and add a higher percentage towards savings or paying off those credit card bills faster, because your interest rates are you're still accumulating that interest. So the faster you pay that off is great. But this is one of the simplest ways to manage your budget and manage your finances.
Guys, very simple, very simple. This is very simple. This is very elementary. You guys can follow this one at home. So remember, just like we talked about, you're gonna take your monthly income, cut it in half right away, right? And then you're gonna start breaking it down into four categories, and then you're gonna distribute your money. Like you're gonna be saying, well, now some of you may be saying, well, I have more than $1,500 or $2,500 a month in your debt. So you need to make adjustments accordingly, right? You may say, well, my living expense is way more than that. You definitely need to make adjustments where you need to make adjustments. But at the end of the day, guys, this is the most simple money management system. Give it a try. Let us know how you like it. Let us know if we're totally off or are we onto something, guys. But you can't make money management more simple than this, guys. It's a simple way to pay down your debt while still being able to have a bit of a social life and still be putting money away for your future self as well. And so you can't make it more simple than that, guys. Like, comment, subscribe below. And eventually, the world's yours.